Good morning, students. How are you? Today I'll do exercise 1.2 of first chapter, knowing our numerations. Let's start. This is question number 1. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of the tickets sold on the counter on the first day, second day and the final day was this. Find the total number of the tickets sold in 4 days. See, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको क्लियरली पता चल रहा है कि वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द टिकट सोल्ड इन वन डे all the 4 days. Number of tickets sold on one day is 1094. You will write the statement like this. Number of tickets sold on second day is 1812. Number of the tickets sold on third day is 2050. Number of tickets sold on final day is this. We will add all these. If we are finding the total of anything, we will add. See, I have done the addition. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7, 20, 20 goes up. You know addition. You have done in 5th standard. Okay? Clear with this question? Let's proceed to second. So students, I'll start with second question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6980 runs in the test match. He wishes to complete 10,000. How many more runs did he need? See, he wants to complete how many runs? 10,000. And he has scored how many runs? 6980. So how many more runs he need to get a score of 10,000? What will you do? You will subtract it. Okay? See. Simple subtraction you have done in 5th standard. This much runs the Shekhar needs to get. If we add these both two, we'll get 10,000 now. So this is the way. These are the runs Shekhar need to get 10,000. Okay? Clear with second question? Let's proceed to let's do the third question. In an election, the successful candidate registered 577,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,200 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? We write the statement like this. See, votes registered by the successful candidate is 5,77,500. Votes won by the rival 3,48,700. The margin by which the successful candidate wins. By how much vote does he win? See, his votes are more, so and rival votes are less, so the margin is we will subtract it. Why we will subtract it? Because वो हमें कह रहे हैं कि कितने वोट्स उसके ज्यादा है, कितने से वो जीत रहा है, तो we will subtract. See, this is the way you will write the statements and this is the answer. Okay, this is simple addition, subtraction, sums, quick review of your previous classes. Okay, let's go on to 4. Kirti Bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in first week and the books worth 4,768 in second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? See, just a simple question. The question is given. In question we are given sale of first week, sale of second week and total number of the books sold in both the 2 weeks. We have to find total. We have to plus it. So This is the total number of the books in both the weeks. Now, you know, which week has more sale? This number is more. 4 lakh is more than 2 lakh 85,895. So second week sale was greater by how much? By how much we will subtract it. See, write first, and below this the answer is this. Okay, understood? Let's proceed to question number 5. We have given 4 digits. The digits are 62743. In question, we have to understand what is the greatest number which can be formed by using these digits at once. See, the greatest number formed is 76432, and the least number formed is 23467. So we have to find the difference. In difference we will subtract, and the answer is this. We got the answer 52,965. Let's proceed to question number 6. In question number 6, we are given a machine manufactures screws in one day. So we'll write number of screws manufactured in day is 2825. So how many screws are manufactured in month of January? Students, here in month of January, you know, you have 31 days. You can do like this. January means 31 days. So we'll multiply the number of screws with number of days. We will write like this. Now we multiply. 1 5s are 5. See here. 1 8s are 8 and 1 2s are 2. Again. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6 and this. We'll add this. A machine manufactures this much of screws. 87,575. Go to question number 7. In this question, it is clearly defined that total amount with merchant is 78,572. Okay, he purchased a radio set. Now we have to find the cost of radio set. One radio set cost 40 rupees. Total amount with merchant is 78,592. Cost of radio sets ordered. Cost of one radio set is 1200. Okay, 1200, and number of radio sets ordered is 40. So we will find the cost of radio sets. 1200 into 40 is equal to 48,000. Clearly here multiplication is so easy. So do it. 12 multiplied by 4 is 48, and add on the number of zeros. Money left with merchant is subtract the cost of radios from the total amount. The money left with merchant is this. Okay, understood? This is question number 8. We have given the number 7236. Instead of multiplying it with 56, he has multiplied it with 65. आपको इसको इससे multiply, इसको इससे multiply and then subtract is not a proper procedure. It is a very long procedure. Simply जहाँ आपकी correction हो रही है 65 minus 56 is 9. Then multiply 9 with 7236. The answer is 65124. Okay. Let's. So now students will do question number 9. To stitch a shirt of 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Cloth needed to stitch a shirt is 2 meter 15 centimeter. and the total cloth out of 40 meter cloth, total cloth is 40 meter. See, statements हमेशा ऐसे बनाते हैं, जो जो आपको लिखा है आप पहले उसको लिखते जाओ. ओके, एंड क्वेश्चन को समझना भी जरूरी है. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? वो कहता है कि 40 मीटर्स क्लॉथ में से कितनी शर्ट्स बन सकती हैं, और एक शर्ट को चाहिए 2 मीटर्स एंड 15 सेंटीमीटर क्लॉथ. ठीक है, इसमें हम क्या करेंगे बच्चों, डिवाइड करके जितना बचेगा वो हो गया रिमेनिंग क्लॉथ. इतना कपड़ा हमारे पास बच जाएगा. सी, क्लॉथ नीडेड टू स्टिच अ शर्ट. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Cloth needed to stitch a shirt is 2 meter 15 centimeter. अब 2 मीटर 15 सेंटीमीटर अगेन कंफ्यूजन, तो हम इस पूरे को चेंज कर लेते हैं सेंटीमीटर्स में. सेंटीमीटर्स में कैसे करेंगे, यू नो 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. तो 200 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 15 सेंटीमीटर कितना हो जाएगा, 215 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तो टोटल क्लॉथ कितना होता है उसके पास 40 मीटर्स. इसको भी सेंटीमीटर्स में चेंज करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, तो इट कम्स टू 4000. शर्ट स्टिच मैंने आपको समझाया, इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. हमने यहाँ सिंपल डिवीजन आपको करके दिखाई है. इट इज नॉट टफ, आप करोगे इजी है. इट कम्स टू क्वेश्चन विद 18. तो द शर्ट स्टिच आर 18 एंड द लेफ्ट ओवर इज 130 सेंटीमीटर. So we'll write down 1, again we'll convert in meter and centimeter, so it will come to 1 meter and 30 centimeter. Okay, let's proceed on to next question. Students, now it is question number 10. Medicine is packed in the boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? वो कह रहा है कि कितने बॉक्सेस आपके वैन में आ जाएंगे अगर आपके एक बॉक्स का वेट है 4 kg एंड 500 ग्राम्स. तो एंड वैन कैन नॉट कैरी मोर देन 800 kgs. ओके, तो वेट ऑफ वन बॉक्स इज 4 kg 500 ग्राम्स. इसको फिर अब ग्राम्स में कर लो, 4500 ग्राम्स. ओके, और नंबर ऑफ द बॉक्सेस इन वैन 800 kgs. इसको भी हमने ग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, दोनों को डिवाइड कर लिया. द नंबर ऑफ द बॉक्सेस आर 177. इसको लीव आउट कर देंगे क्योंकि वैन में इससे ज्यादा और आ ही नहीं सकते. ओके, तो इतने बॉक्सेस आप आ सकते हैं वैन में. तो विल डू लाइक दिस. आपको ध्यान रखना है कन्वर्जन करते टाइम, ये आपने 5th में बहुत अच्छी तरह किया. मैं फिर आपको एक बार बता देती हूँ. 1 kg में कितने ग्राम्स होते हैं, 1000. तो 1000 से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, दिस कम्स टू 4500. 800 को मल्टीप्लाई किया अगेन 1000 से, इट विल कम टू 800 and 3 zeros more. Divided and then you will get the answer. It's very simple. This is question number 11. The distance between the school and the house of the student is 1 meter and 875 meters. Every day she walks both ways. Both ways means आना and जाना. Going to school and coming back from school comes to multiply by 2. So total distance is 3750 meters. Now she has to tell about 6 days. We have to tell the total distance covered in 6 days. हमने 1 day का निकाला, आना and जाना, going and coming, this much, and 6 days multiply by 6. We have multiplied it. And again we will change into kilometers and meters. that is 22 kilometer 500 meters. Okay, now let's proceed on to question number 12, last question of this exercise. See question number 12. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can be filled? वो कहता है एक वेसल में इतना कर्ड है, इतना मीन्स 4 लीटर्स एंड 500 ml. फर्स्ट विल कन्वर्ट लीटर्स को ml में किया, चेंज 4 liters इज 1000 ml, तो मल्टीप्लाइड विद 1000 कम्स टू 4000 प्लस 500, दैट इज 4500 ml. ग्लासेस फिल्ड, जिस कितने ग्लासेस आएंगे जिसमें 25 ml हो, तो वी विल डिवाइडेड. See, this is divided and number of glasses are 180 glasses. Okay, understood? Practice at home. अच्छे से देखना, practice at home. It is very easy. Okay, now I'll meet you on your next video. Bye.